Welcome to 190 Dalena Way, a serene sanctuary nestled at the end of a tranquil cul-de-sac in Paulding County, Georgia. This captivating Cape Cod residence is cradled within an expanse of lush, wooded landscape. Within the walls of this charming home, an array of exceptional features awaits your discovery. These include a newly installed roof, a cutting-edge HVAC system, a fully reimagined kitchen, refurbished bathrooms, and the restoration of gleaming hardwood floors. This expansive kitchen, thoroughly designed to excite culinary enthusiasts, now boasts state-of-the-art quartz countertops, chic shaker-style cabinets, premium stainless steel appliances, and a dedicated dining area for your cooking endeavors. Making your way to the upper level reveals two generously proportioned bedrooms, an elegantly remodeled bathroom, and the plush comfort of brand new carpeting throughout. Additionally, an expansive basement offers a versatile space that can be purposed as an office, a playroom, or a personal sanctuary. Don't miss the chance to claim this remarkable home as your own, where contemporary living seamlessly intertwines with the inherent beauty of the natural surroundings. Your move-in ready home awaits at 190 Dalena Way.